When you think of hot dog or burger, the first thing that comes to your mind is the pungent mustard sauce, isn't it? So how about making it at home? That can also be used for dressing on salads. So it can be used in various dishes. So let's begin. I have ground here yellow mustard into powder. So we'll use 2 spoons of this. First we'll mix everything. Two spoons of mustard powder. 1/4 spoon of salt. Half spoon of sugar, half spoon of corn flour, you can add a little bit of garlic powder to this, like a pinch. You can also add cinnamon powder or clove powder to give that flavor to this sauce. 1/4 spoon of red chili powder and 1/4 spoon of pepper powder. So to this I'll add water. First I'll mix it properly with water. Now we'll add 1/4 spoon of turmeric powder in this. Mix it properly. And vinegar. Half spoon to 3/4 spoon. Now we'll put it in a pan and heat it till it thickens and comes to the desired consistency. Keep it on a low flame and keep stirring it continuously. Now the consistency is proper. You can see it's beautifully blended, everything, all the spices. The color is also so beautiful and the consistency is perfect. Now we'll switch it off. Always remember that after it cools down, it becomes little more thick than what it is now. So depending on that, you can switch it off. So the pungent mustard sauce is ready.